Why is sodium silicate called all-purpose glue? You may not know this, but sodium silicate is called the universal glue in many industries. Today, let us see why. Scenario E. Repairing ceramic cracks. If you crack a mug or ceramic plate, sodium silicate can bond it securely and becomes even stronger when heated. Scenario R. Repairing exhaust pipes and high-temperature components. Its heat resistance makes it very useful for repairing exhaust pipes and furnace jumps. Scenario 3. Fire retardant coating for wood. Applying a coat of sodium silicate increases the fire resistance of wood and slows flame spread. Scenario 4. Insulation or factory material manufacturing. Many DIY makers use sodium silicate to create refractory bricks, casting molds, or high-temperature insulation layers. Its power lies in heat resistance, strong bonding, film forming ability, and low cost. That's why it works almost everywhere.